Far off the beaten path, there is a unique dining experience.
How's the sauce for pumpkin?
We don't use store-bought provisions. We hunt it and trap it, fish for it, and haul it back and prepare it fresh for you.
Hi, I'm Dana, and I'm the founder of the Cajun Sexy Cooking Club.
The girls that I hire have to learn how to catch crawfish, alligators, snakes, frogs, whatever's on the menu. And then they have to learn how to skin it too.
And do we get along? Yes and no.
What does it matter? It matters because people are with every single guy. And by the way,
Sometimes there's a little conflict and jealousy.
Hey! Break's over, girls! Get back to work!
For some reason, we always end up getting into an argument. Didn't want to touch the frogs, didn't want to get dirty. She's very, very girly.
Eat that.
I'm not peeing myself. It's so funny.
She's gonna really be blown away because we got a lot of things that crawl out here.
Some days we have a few minor setbacks.
Ariel, that's Brandy's boat. Oh, where's Brandy at?
Really, Brandy? We've been looking for you everywhere. I had a hangnail. I had to get it. It's going to interfere with my body. And you're about to have more than a hangnail if you don't get up and come over here and help us. You always win. I think I'm pretty hot, so...
Yeah, Brandy's pretty hot, but I like Chardonnay too, but you know, them two. You know, Chardonnay gets mad and Brandy, you know, and they get a little squabbler here and there, but you know, I enjoy watching that too, you know, it's all fun.
You come back here. I'm not done talking to you. I'm done talking to you. This conversation is over. It is not over. 10 minutes.
Carry and go.
There's nothing I can't cook.
We've always got to plan it out as to who gets the bigger frog.
Let him get in the water, you doofus.
Ariel just got bit by a snake.
Our waitresses are very courteous.
Alright, and then you pop it open like this. Some of them have juice in it. Like that.
My girls aren't on the menu. If you do that again, you're going to become gator bait.
And every now and then a customer
you'll
has
know
to be
better.
escorted out.
Get on down the road, don't let the gators get you.
Ta-ta.
That is definitely hot.
And he kept making comments like, man, it's really hot in here. It's hot. It's hot.
It's hot.
We're over here trying to catch frogs and really concentrate on what we're doing, and Bobby's trying to catch something else.
What makes us even more unique are the diverse personalities of the girls and the guys who will have your back on the bayou, but will dress you down if they have a problem with you when you are out of harm's way.
Ew, and oh my god, don't touch that. Maybe you shouldn't be here. Pick the damn fish up.
I need y'all to go get some frogs. I need you to go catch some frogs.
I mean, you know, we're all friends here, but friends in business, you know, how does that go? We'll see.
Right.
So you ain't on break? You're not on break? Get your butt out there. Customers dying out there because they're thirsty and hungry. Go feed them.
Get some customers going. Go get us another table. Somewhere where I don't have to care that there's a prettier woman around that he's looking at her. He's gonna look. I mean, a man's gonna look, but I know he's coming home to me. I know how much he loves me.
I think I want to test that boundary.
Really?
If y'all crave a taste for something out of the ordinary, get in your boat or your car and come on by. No reservations needed. Just watch for snakes and gators.
So roll up your blue jeans and wade right in for some fun on the Louisiana Bayou.
Let's go!